Okay, so let's talk about the gases. PV is equals to nRT. How does this one equation came from? So first of all, let me discuss about the gases. That there are two type of gases. Number first one is ideal gas, and number second one is non-ideal or imperfect gas or imperfect gas. Okay, so what is the difference between both of these? Let's take a container and fill any kind of gas in it. Okay, if we have to form the ideal gas, so for the formation of the ideal gas we should give the high temperature. We should give the high temperature and low pressure. When we will be giving the high temperature and low pressure, so the kinetic energy will increase and the particles of the gas will move apart, and this is how the ideal gas is formed. What are the characteristics of the ideal gas? It should be the temperature should be high and pressure should be low. Then if we have to form the ideal gas at high temperature, we have to give the high temperature and low pressure. Okay, then in ideal gas there would be no attractive force is present and no repulsive force is present. Of course, when the particles are moving apart, so how is it possible that that in the gas the attractive or repulsive force is present? So the repulsive and attractive force is not present. There would be no volume, but it would have the high kinetic energy. Okay, it would have the high kinetic energy. But who gave the concept of the ideal gas? The ideal gas is discussed by the Boyle's law, by Charles law, and the Avogadro law. Okay. If we discuss about the non-ideal gas, so we will give it the low temperature or high pressure. Then it would have attractive force, attractive force, has repulsive force भी होगी, and it also has volume and but has the low kinetic energy. These both of the gases are uh, opposite to each other, and the concept of the non-ideal gas has been discussed by van der Waals. We have the theory of the van der Waals that has been given by van der Waals. We will discuss that bit later. So this is the MCQ, that ideal gas is not present on our planet, not present on Earth. Why it is not present on Earth? Because on Earth or on our planet we are not having the constant temperature or pressure. We are due to the constant temperature or pressure, we are not having ideal gas on our planet. It is present on the outside of the galaxy or in other planets, but it is not present on Earth.